Alright, so let's take a look at what you get in your Makey Makey kit. And so when you get your box, you're going to see on the back, it's going to tell you what's listed. And so I already have the kit opened up. The first thing you're going to see is the actual Makey Makey. You've got the up, down, left, right arrows, the space and click. This is your earth down here. And then on the back side, you're going to have a variety of other options, which are going to allow us to do some more advanced stuff. And so we're going to get to the back later. But just for now, just realize this is all Arduino based, and we've got a ton more options for our coding and building in the future. But for now, we're just going to focus on the front because it's simple and easy. Will get you some success. You got a USB cable to plug your Makey Makey into your computer. You've got some connector wires that actually will work on the back. You've got 7 alligator clips. You've got a simple little instruction manual, and of course they give you some awesome stickers for you to put on your computer or folder or whatever it is that you want to use. And so this is what comes in the kit. And so our next task is to figure out how to set it up and make sure that it works. So let's jump into our first task, which is to get us using the piano.